Hi, let's talk about two different FinOps notions, showback and chargeback. So chargeback and showback are two very different ways to manage cost within an organization. So both methods have been used for decades to help organizations track costs and gain oversight over spending. So the first one, Showback, merely reports the cost of cloud usage for transparency. So for example, you could send an email to your teams with their cloud costs, while chargeback involves billing users or departments for their actual consumption. So showback is a process of reporting the cost of cloud services to the actual users without charging them. So it raises awareness about cloud spending and encourage more efficient use of resources. So for example, you are the IT department here, you will show the cost here for the marketing department and also for the dev department. And chargeback is the process of charging the actual cost of cloud services back to the users. So this approach treats internal departments or teams as customers, billing them for their consumption of AWS resources. So you are again the IT department here. You will show the cost to a business unit, and that business unit will pay you in return. Let's have an example. Imagine your company have four departments with operations, finance, marketing, and R&D. Then each department uses AWS services such as EC2 instances, S3 storage, or ARDS databases. First, a showback model will involve the IT department sending reports to each department detailing their AWS usage and the associated costs. For example, the operations department will receive a report showing that the use of 10 EC2 instances cost the company a certain amount. But they would not be billed for this amount, it's only informational. But you can also send them cost opportunities and they might do it and save a bunch of money. With a chargeback model, the IT department tracks the usage of the services for each department and bills them accordingly. So if the operations department uses 10 EC2 instances for months, then they will be charged for the exact cost of those instances on the next internal billing cycle.